Hey, Sneaky Linux back tonight, and tonight I'm looking at gnome Mini 2009.1, a little mini distro from pclinuxos OS 2009, and a nice little offshoot it is too. Now I have chosen the gnome version this time because everybody else goes for the other one because of the looks and that, but I thought we'll give the gnome one a bit of a go and get a good look round. Now I installed this to the hard drive, it took about 6 minutes, lovely. Everything's already ready for you, straight to the net, no problem. But of course, as it's a mini, it won't actually come with too much, but we're not too worried about that, are we really? So we'll just have a little look to start with. Accessories, graphics, an image viewer, internet, we have the Firefox, go down to Office, nothing there, but you can get OpenOffice. Make live CT, etc. Sound and video, not a lot there as you can see. System tools, quite a bit there, but that's not too bad, is it? Quite a bit there for a little mini distro. It's about 350 meg download, so it's not too bad whatsoever. You can install NVIDIA drivers and your 880 drivers afterwards, because it asks you to do this while you're installing. You'll get me if you install it, don't worry about it. Anyway, I've gone into Synaptic. It's asking me for the password. I've chucked it in. And we're going to do a bit of installing because it's got no Office apps. And yeah, alright, you can use the cloud and I could use Zoho or Google Apps, blah 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 blah. But I want one on my system, so I'm going to go with AbiWord. Now hopefully this will be the most current one. Does it say? No, it doesn't actually say there. So we'll have to install it and find out. So I'll mark for installation. These are all the other bits it needs. Quite a few, as you can see. So that's cool. So we apply that, and there you go, we can click apply, but it just tells you a bit further above, as you can see here, it needs 23 megs of stuff, and it's going to do other stuff too. So anyway, we're downloading, and as I'm not downloading too good at the moment, I'm going to go to the end, just like that. So to save space on the video, it doesn't actually take too long to install at all. I was expecting it to take a bit longer, but hey, it's quite reasonable, not too bad at all. The big thing is, once it's finished, can we access it straight away? So we'll find that in a few minutes, won't we? No problem. Nearly finished now, just getting the library files, and we're almost done, he says to himself. There we go. AbiWord installed. It's a 268 it looks from here, but we'll have a look later. Now here's all the extra add-ons you can get. Now there's loads and loads and loads. Now you're going to need a couple of these anyway to start with. Really, aren't you? Don't you think? You see how many there is? Loads. But I'm going to go with the dictionaries first. We'll click there to install. So that's ready for installing. What else is there that I'd like to install? You've got one for AbiGimp, so you can do stuff with GIMP using AbiWord. But I don't think I'll install that just yet. I'll work on that one. Babelfish. That's a fun one, isn't it? I'll tell you what, we'll do that one instead. So mark for installation. I'll have a little bit of a scroll down, and you can see how much stuff there is. There's some for Google there, graphics, MS Writer, open documents, because you're going to need all these anyway. They're all stripped back. So you're going to add in all the plugins you need to start with. So we're going to apply that. Don't have to have actually much to download it. So this is just a zoom along, just like that. Whoosh, and we should be done. Very shortly. There you go. All done. So lovely. We'll come out of Synaptic. Oh, we'll go down to the menu. Up to Office. AbiWord is there. So we're going to click on AbiWord. Up it comes, nice and quick. We'll go to the help section. What is it? To make sure anyway. That's a 268, so it's the most current, isn't it? So we'll close that down. I'm just going to write something just to show that it does work. Lovely. I like it, don't you? Cool. So we'll close that. I want to close without saving. So that'd be cool. There we go. Go to the main menu, We'll have a bit more of a look here. We'll open the web browser up, Firefox. I was hoping it was going to be 3.5, but it's not. We'll go to the search engine. What are we going to put in? The Biblica? Yes, of course. We'll put BBC in first. Comes up quite quick. Shall we open the BBC page? I'm not too sure about that one. We'll try something different, I think. Where should we go? Okay, let's have a think. Oh, we'll go to Twitter. Okay. Have a quick look at my Twitter page. Once I log in, that is. I don't know if anybody else does a bit of twittering. At first I thought it was a bit rubbish. But actually I do check on it all the time now. Because there are lots and lots of links that are quite interesting from other people. If you follow or people are following you. So I'll chuck my password in. I don't want to remember it just now, do I? Not now. Go on. There you go. It's only computer stuff. I have a whole 26 followers. Wow. But it's quite interesting. You're welcome to tweet me if you want. Sneaky Linux. No worries. We'll come out of that now. Might be a bit too boring for you. Anyway, as you can see, that's basically all you get. So we'll go back up to the menu one more time. Image viewer is the only thing you get with image and graphics. So you're going to have to get GIMP for yourself. You're going to need much there, really, are you? If you're only going to browse a lot. You may need numeric or something there, or get OpenOffice even. If we go to the system tools, back to Synaptic one more time, I just want to look for something. Because these Synaptic packages in this section here, there's an awful lot of them. And so I was a bit, that's a lot. So we'll search for one here. I'm going to search for Songbird. That's used for mashups, really. If anybody's ever used it before, it's okay. You might like it, you might not, but it's there in the packages, which is another cool thing. I like that bit. Very good. Let us search for one more thing, as we're near the end now. So we'll come out of there, and what we'll do, we'll search for xvidcap, which is one of the programs I use for screen capture, basically. There's quite a few out there. Let's see what one we got here for xvidcap. It's 117. Lovely. It's quite current. Does everything. We'll come out of there. That's basically all I can show you. If you right click, that's what you get. But it's very zen-like. I like it. I really do. I'm not sure let's install it for a permanent distro, but hey. It's quite nice, it's quite quick, and it'll run on older stuff. I'm just going to change the desktop, just to show you that you can. And there you go. There we are. Sneaky Linux out. I'll catch you another time. See you later.